Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can simply go ahead and upload an HD quality video right there in your TikTok app. But before that, please do make sure to like our videos, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, simply gonna go ahead open up your TikTok app. So once our TikTok app is open, this is basically gonna look like here in the home page of our mobile or our TikTok app, right? So what we're gonna do is we're simply gonna go ahead tap on this profile icon over here, and this we will be able to find our like drafts option over here, and we will have this plus icon as well if you're uploading some photos or etc. If you go to this draft option, and if we select a random video from our draft, and if we tap on this next option, and then we will be able to find this kind of interface where we are simply gonna go ahead, add the caption, and simply add the hashtags and post our video. Afterwards, if you go look over here, you can see this more options option. If you tap on it, you will be able to find more options for your video, including this can't allow high quality uploads. Make sure to turn this on. If you have turned this off, this will simply not gonna be high quality. It's simply gonna get uploaded normally. Simply gonna go ahead, turn this on. Once it turns green, that means you have turned this on. Then if you upload your video or post your video in TikTok, it's gonna be posted in HD quality. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.